wakas sis, monetize ka na sis. At ito na yung pinapangarap mo na monetize ka na sis sa wakas. At ngayon sis, ipagpatuloy mo lang ang pagiging mabait mo na kaibigan at lagi kang nandyan sa akin, sumusuporta sa akin sis. At thank you sis. And salamat sa lahat sis. And once again sis, congratulations, sa wakas monetize ka na rin. And happy Mother's Day sis, to your family. And God bless you sis. Bye. Bye sis.
Mega love shoutout everyone. So it's me again, Baby Boy Matthew Big Pambat, of course. Si baby girl lang nasa harapan nyo ngayon. Gusto ko lang batiin si Baby Mitch, Mitchel Balongag, dahil finally monetize channel ka na rin. And thank you sa mga support mo rin sa akin. And of course, lagi rin naman kami nandito para sa iyo, Baby Mitch. Congrats. Finally, ayan na, natupad na yung mga lagi naman nating pinaghihirapan talaga. And ayan na, ito na yung simula. Dito na talaga nagsisimula yung struggle is real talaga pag monetize na. So, pero andito pa rin ako, support sa iyo. And maraming salamat pa rin sa lahat ng support mo rin sa akin and sa lahat sa mga videos ko. And thank you so much. And nandito pa rin ako. I'm so happy for you. God bless you more. And of course, parati ko rin naman sinasabi sa'yo na gustong ko yung mga content mo. Push mo lang yan. And lagi kong abangan lahat ang content mo. Congrats! God bless you more. And we love you.
Hi guys, Cool TV family here, and this time I just want to take this opportunity to congratulate Mitchel Balongag because you're now a monetized channel. And keep up the good work, more power, and I just let you know that I still here to support you. Keep safe, God bless.
Good day, Sancholicious at your service. Ayan, binabati ko nga po pala si Mitch Balongag all the way from Sikihor, isang ganap ka ng YouTuber at vlogger. Ayan, good luck pa po sa mga videos na mga upload na bago ninyong dalawang mag-asawa. Ayan, napakasaya at huwag tayong magsawa po sa panonood sa mga videos ni Mitch Vlogs, or mas tawagin natin mas kilalang Mitch Balongag, right? Ay, congratulations pala ulit kay Baby Mitch. Ayan, Mitch Balongag. Ayan, shoutout po sa inyo. Congratulations, binabati po kita sa wakas. Finally, ayan, nakamit mo na rin ang iyong monetization. Ayan, monetize channel ka na. At maraming salamat din sa lahat dyan na Mitch Balongag. So, Sancholicious, have a good day. God bless. Bang.
Hi sis! I just want to congratulations for your monetizing channel. Finally, you did it. Keep on vlogging, keep on uploading, more videos to upload, and also more blessings to come. Enjoy lang natin ang pagbablog para sa ating pamilya. And once again, congratulations for your monetizing channel. God bless you!
Hello. So I just want to say congratulations to Ate Mitch Balongag. At finally, your channel has already monetized. So I just want to say congratulations and keep vlogging, keep sharing, and God bless you. I hope that we'll become famous someday. So let's fight, and let's fight for the revenue, and also let's wait for the pin. I hope it will arrive soon. So thank you so much for your support, and congratulations again. Okay, thank you and goodbye. This is Chart Vlog.
Hi guys, this is Elvis Vlog TV. I-congratulate ko lang po si Ma'am Mitchel Balongag. She is a new monetized channel. Yan ma'am, monetize ka na ma'am at natupad mo na yung pangarap mo. At pagpatuloy mo lang yan ma'am ang iyong nasimulan, at dito lang po kami na handa mag-support sa iyo ma'am. Once again ma'am, congratulations, your monetized channel. Thank you very much ma'am for your kind and always supporting to us. At nandito lang din po kami ma'am na handa mag-support sa iyo. Once again, ma'am, congratulations and God bless you, ma'am. Thank you.
Hi guys, this is Kyle Lopez. I-congratulate ko lang si Mitchel Balongag, isang monetized channel na. So, ayan, Ate Mitch, tuloy-tuloy mo lang yan, huwag kang susuko. So, ako rin, hindi rin ako susuko. Ayan, para sa pangarap natin. So, ayan, Ate Mitch, yung paghihirap mo, yung pagtsatsaga, masusuklian din yan balang araw. So, andito lang kami sumusuporta sa'yo. At lalo na sa channel mo. So, again, this is Kyle Lopez. And, Ate Mitch, congratulations and God bless.
And congrats sa'yo. Congrats sa Monitize channel. Mitch Balongag. Ayan, congrats sa'yo, idol. Ayan, ang iyong lingkod, CBTV official. Tandaan mo, ito na yun. Congrats sa'yo, Dabis.
Hey there, it's me, Perda Fan, sending congratulations to you, Mitch Vlogs. Finally, you're now a monetized channel, so good luck, more blessings, and keep it up. See you around.
Hi, Ate Mitchel. Yes, congratulations, te. Yes, finally, monetize na ang imong channel, and congratulations. And also, I wish you the best, and more vlogs to come, and also, hope nga makakolab ta pohon-pohon, yes. So again, ate, congratulations and God bless.
Good morning mga friend. I just want to congratulate to Mitchel Balongag. You are now a monetized channel. Congratulations, Day. Nagbunga ra gid ang imong pagkugi. Thank you so much sa mga viewers to the Mitchel Balongag vlog, and I just wanna say God bless, good luck sa imong mga vlogs, more pa nga mga vlogs sa mga sunod pa nga mga higayon, and just continue, be humble, and congratulations. God bless, Day, and more power.
Mitchel, congratulations, keep it up, God bless.
Hi there, congrats sa first step sa mga success. Congratulations, and we're always here to support you. Congratulations.
Congratulations to Mitchel Balongag to monetize your YouTube channel. Unta magpadayon pala siya gaw nga daghang mga grasya nga maabot pa nimo. Ayun lang ang imong pagkugi bahin anang imuhang vlog channel sa YouTube. Congratulations again, Mitchel Balongag.
Hi Chel, congratulations. I'm happy na na-monetize na ka sa imong YouTube channel, and I hope madaghan pa kang subscribers and viewers. Keep going. Congrats!
Congratulations to Mitchel Balongag. Continue doing good work and more videos that you can. I salute you as one of your subscribers. Continue spreading your talents to everybody. That's all, and God bless you.
Hi, Day! Congratulations, Day! Tapos dugay yung kaya kong video, Day. Kaya nagbiyahe pa in taon ko, Day. Nang nabuhi pa. Anyway, congratulations and more power and more vlogs to come. And happy kay ko kay na-monetize sa kadugayon. Pero bahalag dugay basta kay na-monetize, no? Anyway, congratulations. Happy kay ko kay mong mga pinapangarap na tupad na jud, no? Pero at least naatay paabot. And more vlogs to come sa mga beaches kay summer karon. Love you.